Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is Apple iPhone 7 black touch display. So as you can see right here, got a customer want me to repair this. You can see it's all shattered and then the display is not even coming on. You see like a RGB color. Okay, so let's go and then open this up and then show you guys. So this one comes with a tool set. Got the pentadol screwdriver, you got the flathead, and you got the Phillips. But this one uses a tri-point. Let me check. And then this one is the pentalobe. And then you got the two of this plastic prying tool. Got the suction cup with the key ring, so I can pull it up. And then two of the guitar peg. It's pretty thick. And then the 3M double-sided tape. So this one is the brand new display. It's so nice and clean. And then this one has a bracket for the camera and then your proximity sensor and everything. So before you remove all this tape and everything, you want to go and then heat up your old screen and then remove it and then test it out first before you take out this sticker and then plastic protector and then transfer your parts. Okay, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.